Hello Bass Nation, this is Al and today is March the 16th, 2025, and as you can see I'm still in Barrington, Chicagoland. I got to experience 4 seasons in the last 4 days basically. 3 days ago was like spring, and the day before yesterday was pretty much summer. I was outside wearing only a t-shirt and still sweating. And yesterday autumn came back, fall. It was gloomy and cloudy, and today is full-blown winter again. But anyways, I'm diverting. I'm here today to thank you for watching my videos and especially subscribing to my channel. My channel has reached 100 subscribers in the last few days, so I wanted to show you my gratitude by giving something back to you. And so I decided to transcribe a song and provide you with the PDF of such transcription for free, just by clicking on the link below this video. And the song that I chose, because tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, I chose a song by an Irish songwriter, Northern Irish songwriter and singer Van Morrison. I also created a backing track, a drum backing track, which is also available for you to download for free. So now I'm gonna go to my studio in the basement and connect my bass and record a song for you. So it's gonna be different from previous videos where I'm playing on top of the original song. I'm gonna be playing on the drums backing track that I've just created. So a massive thank you, enjoy the video and enjoy the PDF transcription and the backing track, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.